Hello there everyone and welcome to our May 2020 full reveal video. So first up we have the beautiful flowering Cystis. So this includes two beautiful large flowers. They are 6 layers, so very detailed. As well as that we have 2 different leaves in there, as well as some beautiful sentiments which coordinates with the 2 U's that are in there. So if I turn this over, you can see how beautifully this does layer up. So again, we have those 2 flowers and the 2 leaves there. As well as the stamp set, we do have the matching die set available, which will cut out the 2 flowers, the 2 leaves, and also we have 2 added extra U's in there. So these ones do not cut out the U's that are on the stamp set, but they're extras. We also have the mask stencil available too, which covers up the flowers and the leaves. So next up we have the Blossom Wreath. So this is a 6x8 stamp set again. We have a beautiful sketchy wreath in there, as well as the layers that fit within to colour in the leaves, the blossoms, and also the little flowers, as well as lots of sentiments. So if I turn this over, you can see just how well this does layer up. So all of those images will be able to create this wreath that we have here. As well as the stamp set, we do have the matching die set available, and it's going to cut around the outside and also inside of that wreath image. So you can see just how well that cuts there. So here we have a simple card just using the wreath and the beautiful sentiments that we have included in the set. Next up we have the Whimsical Flowers and Quotes. This is a very pretty stamp set. So again, this is 6x8. We have a large floral frame, as well as some really great sentiments in there with mixed fonts. If I turn this over, you can see just how well those fonts will fit in within that frame. And here we have a really simple card, just simply with the stamped sentiment and that frame with a little bit of rainbow watercolour. So next up we have the Shine Like a Diamond stamp set. In this one, you're going to create a really large background images with the little diamonds in there, which repeats. We also have a large shine sentiment, as well as some additional sentiments that you can add to the shine to create your own custom ones. So here is the card that I've created for this. I've just added this on the side, so it's going to give more of a square image rather than the diamonds. Next up we have the Mega Brush Alpha. Now this is such a great stamp set. This is 6x8 and it includes the whole of the alphabet with some double letters for the L and also T's, as well as an exclamation mark and a question mark too. So you can create all of your different sentiments with this in a really great large font. Great for cards and also scrapbooks and even home decor, this one. Next up we have the Inked Lotus. Now this is a 4x6 stamp set. So we have a large beautiful lotus image as well as the stem and some really great sentiments. These are quite large, so we'll be able to create a really great focal point on your cards. And as well as the stamp set, we have the matching die set available, which is going to cut out both the flower and the stem part of the images on there. As well as that, we also have the mask stencil, so you can mask and stencil this beautiful lotus to your heart's content. Again, just a simple card using the images from the set. Next up, last but not least, we have the Delicate Bouquet. In here we have a really delicate outline image of a floral cluster, as well as some sentiments. This one is a really pretty one to add delicate touches to your cards. And that completes our May 2020 stamp release. We really do hope that you've seen something that inspires you and makes you want to create something beautiful.